diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So this video is all about a new synthetic wig. So without further ado, let's jump right into this new review. So today's unit is sponsored by So Good Shop. Thank you so much, So Good Shop. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, you turn on post notifications, and you never miss a new upload from yours truly. So today's wig is from Motown Tress, and this is a half wig. This one is called QE Abby, and I do have her in the color 1B. As you can see, she's a natural curly looking unit. Hopefully she's super affordable because she is a half wig. I've definitely been trying to show you all more affordable options and some curly girl friendly options. It is the summertime, so if you want some good curly styles, I do have several on my channel. So you can definitely click the playlist where it says protective styles or natural styles. I can't remember what it says, but it is a collection of wigs that work well for naturals. If you're curious about this unit that I'm rocking right now, this wig is available under my website, www.JessTheDragoness.com. This one is called Lily. I'll leave a link to the review up here somewhere, and then I'll also leave a link in the information bar where you can grab this one. So cap construction on her, one large comb in the front, one small comb in the back, and two adjustable two combs in the back and no adjustable straps. So on the front, it's your usual half wig where you just have the track folded over. This unit looks like she has some layers. I don't want to pluck out the curls just yet. No lace to cut. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the stock card, and I'm gonna take this wig off and put this one on. This wig is definitely super cute. It's an easy throw on and go unit. It's a little bit too long around the front for me. It's not really framing my face or doing anything cute, so I'm definitely going to trim it to frame my face. The most important thing to remember when you're cutting curly hair, do not pull it down and cut it, and then when it bounces back, it'll be too short. Make sure you're cutting on an angle, and make sure you're not cutting too much hair. You can also add a couple baby hairs. So I definitely like this wig a lot better now. It's just a few small edits to make the wig frame your face and make it your own. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. This wig is really just an easy throw on and go style. I think it's really cute for the summertime. Some folks might think it's a little bit too much hair. I personally don't think so. It's very lightweight. It is on your shoulders and on your neck, but it's not too bad. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this wig. If you want to check out this unit down at So Good Shop, I will leave a link in the information bar down below. I love you guys so much. Make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for the slow-mos.